If you have a date field in your data and you want to do some analysis on those dates, you can use this trick. I'm going to use ggplot2 library, timetk, dplyr, and gt. And once we have that, I'm going to create some random data. So obviously we will need some dates for 1 year, and then I'm going to create some random times. And then finally, we'll combine the date and the time together. So final data frame is going to look something like this. You can see it has dates along with the times. So let's use this command, and that'll magically change your data and it'll give you all these fields. So here I've also written some ggplot script to plot some charts. So let's see the data first of all. So you can see that suddenly from one date and time field, we have got all these variables available to us. And let's see the names of these. You can see that from the date and time, we have got all these variables like years, halves, quarters, etc. So let's start plotting them one by one. So half looks like this. You can divide your data in two halves, the first half, second half, 4 quarters, and months, and day, and hour, minutes, seconds, 12 hours, AM or PM, the weekday, quarter day, day of the quarter or the day of the year, and then the actual labels, weeks, ISO weeks, week 2, so that alternates the first week, the second week, the first week, the second week, like 0101, etc. So it's pretty amazing, and it saves you a lot of time and effort. Just from one single date or date and time field, you can get all these variables. So I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.